Yeelight RGBIC LED basic strip lights are available in 20 feet, 40 feet, and 65 feet options. Choose the size you need based on your requirements. The package includes RGBIC LED basic strip lights, control box, and adapter. Unpack the box and check all items that are included. Make sure to power on the strip light and confirm if it lights up. Wipe the surface to ensure it is clean and dry. Then, adhere the light strip to the surface and press it firmly. Generally, it is recommended installing the light strip in a hidden manner, such as under a table or cabinet, behind a TV, or in a recessed ceiling. You can also peel off the protective film on the controller box and stick it. If you need to cut off the excess length, cut along the copper lines. Please note that after cutting the excess length, the lighting effects will still display according to the original length. Turn on the power of the strip light and begin using it. Power on the device and perform a reset. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the lights enter blue breathing mode. In the Yeelight app, click Add RGBIC LED basic strip lights. Click Add Now and tap the detected device. Follow the on-screen instructions and short press the power button to confirm pairing. Once paired successfully, you can use the app's home screen to easily turn the lights on or off and switch lighting effects. Enter the device page and tap the lighting effect ball at the top to switch between preset effects. Below, you can adjust the power and brightness. Enter DIY mode to select and fill colors. Then click here to set dynamic effects. You can customize the direction, speed, and other settings for each dynamic effect. Click Preset to access DIY preset templates and use existing color combinations. Saved DIY lighting effects will be stored on the home screen. Open Music Flow, click Sound Source to select the audio source device. Choose device to pick up sound through the control box mic, or phone to use the phone's mic. Click Rhythm Effect to choose the lighting effect and colors for music flow. Click Pure Color Mode to select a single color effect.